Mokuom Rawere County ma Homa Bay okone jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo hoi obed piny gi rawere mar winjo ywak margi kaka yoduoko chien liet mar siasa e piny Kenya. Rawere go mawuok e kar chung' od bura ma Kasipul e bwo riwruok margi mong'ere ni Youth for Youth dwani sirikal ochik ite ne ng'ur mag rawere kokale twak kodgi mondo mi pek ma piny Kenya osebedo kakale kalore gi ng'anyo mag Gen Z orum e thur kae.
I urge the government to give us some listening ear. Let them call us for dialogue so that we sit down, we air our views, they take our views, and they act on our views. Youths are very wise guys. We only act whenever there are things which are not good with us. Whenever our problems are solved, I think everything will be settled. There is unemployment, there is insecurity. These are the things which, if solved by the government, I think we will speak one voice with the government, we will work together with the government.
The government should not use excess force towards the youths. Youths are human beings, and they should be given what they want. If in any case there's they've noticed that there's something, they call them on board, they talk to them, and things will be run smoothly.
The issue of police brutality is a national issue right now in Kenya, and we've seen several orders given by those in power, some saying that we should be shot, and some saying we should be shot on the legs. We want to appeal to the government. Please do not shoot us, empower us, because we stand for peace, we stand for unity.
Tendo bila wuok oko mar chiwo lere witho mar nyadendi Julia Wangai ma weche osebedo kalie koreni ne otho e lweto bila